iOS 11 changed the iPad on a fundamental level by bringing the dock over from macOS. Not only is it an easy way to find apps without swiping between home screens, the dock is also now the linchpin of multitasking on the tablet. The most important part of the dock is that it's the only way to activate the split view mode in iOS 11, as the right edge swipe no longer works on the iPad. Here's how to put the dock to work for you. More Apple iPad Pro 12.9-inch 2nd Gen, full review 1. Press down on an app until the jiggle effect and X icon appear. 2. Drag an icon to the dock. 3. Repeat step 2 until you've filled your dock. You'll want to have as many apps down there as possible. The dock can hold up to 13 apps or folders. 4. Open an app by tapping on its icon in the dock. 5. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to bring back the dock. 6. Drag an icon from the dock to the right or left side of the screen. You can move the split view slider to adjust the amount of screen space for each app. Moving the slider all the way to the left or right will close an app.